How to Learn Digital Marketing Step-by-Step Digital Marketing for Beginners, Part 2. 2. PPC, or pay-per-click marketing, will enable you to send traffic to websites with targeted advertisements. Google Ads is still one of the most popular PPC networks, which will show your ads on Google properties and websites that have the AdSense code included. You can learn PPC easily online and relatively quickly. There are numerous courses you can take, including ones that will allow you to gain a Google certification for PPC ads. Once you've gained this accreditation, create some PPV, pay-per-view, campaigns of your own to gain the necessary experience you'll need to get your own clients. Social media marketing. It's almost impossible to imagine a world without social media. Millions of people visit social media websites each day, which is why learning how to market on these platforms is so important. Social media marketing has many advantages, such as: you can market your website for free by engaging your social media audience. You can buy effective advertising campaigns for as little as $5 per day. You can highly target the audience that you want to show your ads to. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering local SEO, social media and other marketing tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.